been a while. I had to give up the last allotment, but that was with a friend. I just got a letter through the door there saying I'm 5th on the list and there's 6 available. So I'm just on my way now to have a look at the 6 that are there, and I get to put my name down for which ones I like and go through the pecking order to see which ones I get. I'll get back to you on with that. Of course, it said on the letter it would be unlocked, but it's not. But I can't see where the ones are, and it looks like they've done the fence out, so I'll try and get round the other exit. I know there's another one, so let's go around there. Oh, it looks like this gate is shut too. I'm gonna have to hop it. Hopefully my legs will do it. But why say it's open when it's not? Let's try and hop this. Right, so looking at the map, we've just come up here and then to this right. So it'll be that way. And the first 2 are going to be just here. So yeah, that's 1. There. Yeah, you can see that there we're gone. So plot 1. I haven't really marked it out, but is this a full plot 1? I know the sun comes from that direction. It's south facing, so it gets the sun all day. Actually, this fence is going to get taken down. So that was plot 1. Plot 4, yeah, so they're going to be putting fences on. They just haven't done this fence. Just having a look at like the neighbours and what they've got, so it's keeping on top of that side. Obviously them bushes that'll come through, have to keep on top of that. At the bottom, that side doesn't look too bad, but you can see where they've obviously cut the ground. Things have always started to slightly grow back. It's a nice view in the background though. That's 2 plots. Now the other ones, them 2 which are just here, says 5. So that says 5A and then 5. Which, yeah, 5A and 5. Bit strange. So this is going to be 4 plots in here. Obviously they've demolished a lot of them that weren't being used. There was sheds on there. You can see the slabs up there where they had a horse on, I think. So I would hope they'll be taking that off, and I'm hoping they're burning that. But we've got quite a bit of stuff down there. I'm hoping to clear that out. And that tree as well, I'm a bit iffy on having just a tree here. And then obviously they've got plots that are there too. The weed situation doesn't look as bad on this side, probably because they've had horses on it. And they've got it, thinking if you have the front ones over there, you've got quite a solid wall to work with and less weeds. This one's got bits, but it seems alright. The only bit I'm iffy about is there. So I think 5A would be the last one I wanted, which is this one. Just because this bit looks a bit overgrown. The rest seem alright. Like, I'm happy enough if I had the slabs down, they might take it off. We'll go around to the other side and have a look. Right, so we're at the other side, plot 10. Tyres, I hate it. I'm hoping to get rid of all this rubble, because it's not the best ground when we're looking at it. My camera seems a bit judgery. It's not the best ground because obviously they've had buildings on here. So hope that gets cleared. And then looking at that, that's more than what I thought from the other side. It's still workable. You could easily put raised beds or just pots on there or use something else. We are getting chickens, so, and down to there. I would assume they're going to take that pavement up and put fences in between as well. Just decisions on which. I think the far two are the ones I prefer. And then moving into here, you're probably looking at this one more than down there. That one being my least favourite. But then down there's quite a bit of weeds there that would need chopped up again. I'm hoping they'll do a bit more demolition. So yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. So glad I put my name down on it when I was helping my friend out on hers. That's the one I had the last time. I'm just glad that we got up the list so quick. I'm very surprised with Allotments. I've just seen the one we had open. The one we had the other year is open the gate. Let's have a pop in. So they've put some more beds down using our wood. And that was my old poor greenhouse at the bottom. And they've emptied it all out. Got the blue barrels. Yeah, they seem to be doing a lot on the site. It was just getting overrun. That was one of the things that we didn't want to do about it, because it was just too overgrown. But with them doing it all out, I think it'd be good. He's done loads on this one. That was one I had very originally, and it was so overgrown. But he's got some chickens down the bottom. I think he's just worked his way through everything. It looks really good now. So yeah, all good things. So it won't be long until I start posting videos again. Hopefully they get back to us soon. So, oh, big pile of poop there. We'll just avoid that. I'm hoping they're dropping stuff like that off now to make the stuff better, hopefully. But yeah, they seem to try and get it better because it's just overrun. I'm going off on tangents. Right, so I want to start planning, see what I think about different ones, and I'll put my name down. Well, I'm going to say for all of them, but I know which ones I prefer. I want to put them in order. But yeah, hopefully we'll be doing more videos soon up there and get everything working and get me chickens ready for the summer. See you soon.